Today, we're going to talk about how your mind works and how you can use this information to your advantage to create exactly what you want. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about how your mind works, and it's really quite simple. So this is going to be a really short and sweet, to the point video. So how your conscious mind works is, and your subconscious mind, is when you focus on something, you see more of it. So your subconscious mind sees nothing but potential possibilities. It sees it all, okay? It's all there. And remember, we're just energy and quantum physics. Quick little tip, if you haven't already seen it, definitely watch Down the Rabbit Hole. What the Bleep, Down the Rabbit Hole. It's a movie about making quantum physics easy and really about how the universe works. And it's pretty much mainstream science at this point. So your subconscious mind sees pure potentiality. It can see everything. Now, what you actually see is what you consciously choose to focus on. So anything other than what you're consciously focusing on, your subconscious mind will actually delete for you. How nice. And it can work in your advantage and it can work to your disadvantage. So an example of that is if, say, you lost your keys and you're looking for your keys. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that's done this, is I've lost my keys and I've looked everywhere and all I'm thinking is, I can't find my keys, I can't find my keys. And then all of a sudden I look on the table and my keys are there. And I was like, well, I looked there like 4 times. Yeah, I probably did look there, but I actually didn't consciously register to see them because all I was saying to myself was, I can't find my keys. And then boom, my subconscious mind was like, sure, delete that. You don't need to see that, right? So that's how the mind works. What we consciously choose to focus on, we're going to see. That's why that yellow duck experiment works so well. I intend to see a yellow rubber duck. And then all of a sudden your conscious mind will focus on that and you will finally notice it. So that's why it's so important to focus on what you want, because what you consciously focus on, your subconscious mind will delete the rest and just show you that. Okay, so your conscious mind is kind of steering the ship of your subconscious mind. You're in control of your subconscious mind through your conscious thoughts. You give it orders, you direct it, you program it. Okay, so if you decide that you would like to if you say that, okay, you know what, everybody in the world is wonderful and everybody does nice things for one another, all of a sudden you're going to see people doing nice things everywhere. You're going to be seeing happy people, helpful people. If you choose to focus on everyone being really miserable and crappy, that's what you're going to see. You're going to see people doing mean things, rude things. That's why it's always best to focus on what you want rather than what you do not want. Yeah. So that's it in a nutshell. That's how your brain works. That's how your conscious mind and your subconscious mind really make things visible to you. So do yourself a favor, and next time you can't find your keys, say, I intend to find my keys. I intend to find my keys. I intend to find my keys. And you're going to find your keys. You know, if you're ever faced with any sort of problem, instead of complaining about the problem, say, I intend to find a solution to this problem. What can I do to get past this problem? You know, anything like that. You want to have positive words to get your subconscious mind on board with what you consciously want. Yeah, so yeah, that's one thing about how your mind works. Your subconscious mind follows orders from your conscious mind, and it absolutely loves that. So yeah, that's how your mind works. Anyways, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, you know what? Create something wonderful for yourselves today. Each and every one of you deserve it. Bye for now.